All right, this is brilliant. This is a motion detection light, ceiling light. It could be motion detection, or you could just have it on and use a remote to turn it off. But look at this thing. This is bright, great for any interior where you just need that light. It gives you that bright white light, but you can also change it and have different color temperatures. You can adjust the brightness of it so you can get that warmer color, or you can get like a mix between the two, or that white color. Now there is a magnet on the back, and what they do is actually pretty cool. They give you this mount right here that has a magnet on it. It comes with all of the screws for installation. So you can screw this into like your wall or ceiling, because it's technically a ceiling light. So you can screw this up into the ceiling, and then because it's rechargeable, it's magnetic, so you can easily remove the light and charge it up if you need to. They give you two of those, so you can easily use this one and move it to somewhere else if you need to. Perfect if you're camping or like any RVs, you might want to add some lights to it. And they also have adhesive. If you didn't want to screw it up into the ceiling, you can use this adhesive with the magnetic mount and use it that way. But the other cool thing is you can use the remote with it. So it has a remote where you can turn it on and off, and it comes just already ready to go. And yeah, you can turn it on, put it on auto. So now it's on automatic. Now, when it is in auto mode, what you need to know is that it's actually kind of going off of the light. So when it's bright, automatic won't actually turn on. And this is a really good feature because it prolongs the battery. So it's only going to turn on when it's dark outside, or a certain percentage of darkness. So that is a great feature for the automatic motion mode. You can easily go from 10% to 30 or 50 or 70 or 100 from here. You can change that color temperature easily with the remote, and even have a 15, 30, or 60-minute timer. So that's great. Like, there are so many places around the house where you might need that motion light or just regular light that's this bright without having to rewire everything. This is a great option for it. And it does come with the USB-C cord where you can charge it. So very nice, very easy, and exactly what you want in a little ceiling light. So highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.